Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this antenna, Hiroyasu PHD795. This is antenna for air band. The length of antenna around 47 centimeters. Yeah, around 47 centimeters. It works from 108 to 136 megahertz. You can use in your radio maximum power around 20 watts. Antenna has SMA female connector. Actually, you can find BNC, SMA male and SMA female. Antenna works from 90 megahertz and almost until the 160, this wideband antenna for air band and 2 meters band. Let's see next. Band around 350 megahertz. It's dual band antenna for air band, 2 meters band and 350 megahertz. For example, currently we use the main antenna and air band. Let's change the antenna to this orange.
Separate Charlie out of operation. The repair works in progress. Apron and separate liquid. Separate portion. Bird flight path indicator and landing area. Wind 120 degrees 4 meters per second.
I think it works pretty good.
0 meters. Avial 550.